All right, the major other section of the course is the homework. So this is the last section of what's counting towards your grade. So the homework is worth 30% of your grade, and there's two homework assignments. Um, these the homework assignments are actually like Word documents that you'll download and you'll work on it like a regular assignment. You'll show your work. You're required to show your work to get full credit, as mentioned in here. Um, so if you do, and as mentioned, if you do not show your work, you'll not receive full credit. When you have completed the activity on a Word document, you'll then submit the Word document to a Dropbox, and you'll have an opportunity to work on your week 7 and 8 homework and earn half credit back. So let's take a look at this in the course, see what I'm talking about. Okay, so you'll notice that the week 7 and 8 homework located in the graded discussions and homework area. And you'll see here the week 7 and 8 homework and the week 9 homework. Those are the two homework assignments. Week 7 and 8 homework is covering material from week 7 and 8. And you'll start it, I mean, you can start it early, it doesn't really matter. But technically, you have 2 weeks to do it. You just say beginning of week 7 until the end of week 8. And it's due by the end of week 8. So here's the week 7 and 8 homework Word document. Read the instructions. Submit a single Word document. So you should be submitting. So here's the activity. Here's the problems. Just 3 problems here. So with multiple parts, but you'll fill this in, type it in, or I mean, I'm okay with you just writing it out on a scratch piece of paper, neatly, and taking pictures of it and then inserting pictures into the Word document in the gaps here. So I'm perfectly fine with that. If you want to do that, you can just I'll show you how to do that. You'll just insert, and then you can insert a picture, and then you can find the picture and insert it in each of these places. Or if you want, you can get into the equations here. Well, you hit Alt equals, and then you can get into the equation mode and start typing away. And it's a nice little tool to get used to if you ever do any typing and you need math. It's a good idea to use this equation editor in Microsoft Word. Either way, I'm perfectly fine. As long as it's legible, your pictures are fine. And with technologies nowadays, it should be no issue getting pictures in here. But yeah, you should be submitting a single Word document answering the questions, showing all your work to earn full credit. And let's get back into the course here. Okay, so here's your document, and then how you'll submit your assignment. You'll go in here, week 7 and 8 homework Dropbox. You'll submit it in here. And well, this is the mock thing. Well, let me read. Oh my gosh, I clicked on the wrong thing. Let's go into week 9, and since I haven't submitted that one, technically I was playing around with this and seeing how to submit things. But if you go into the week 9 homework Dropbox, you click there, and you'll have this option of choose file. And you'll choose a file. I'll just submit this. And you'll submit. And there you go. That's all you want to do. Do not start choosing other things. It's submitted, as you can see here. Upload, blah, 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 document successful. It's submitted. So you're looking for this, that it's successfully submitted. Because it'll say choose file. Don't just choose another file, because you'll have a bunch of submissions, and I'll see all of your submissions. So it's submitted if it tells you on the very top. And okay, so that's about it. That's what's expected for both of these. Oh, wait, yeah. I'll get back into here. Okay, so there's the week 7 homework, 7 and 8 homework, week 9 homework. And let's just go in here. I'll just give you heads up. If you watch this video, you'll get tips, but you'll realize that that these two activities, or these two videos right here, will help you for in the assignment. If I remember correctly, I'm not sure if both of them, but at least one of them will help you. And then if you go in, oh wait, I'm actually in the wrong. That's pertaining to week 9 assignment. Sorry. If you go back into week 7, chapter 7, verse week 7. Okay, so yeah, so these videos will help you in the assignment. So they are very similar examples, slightly different situations. And then in the second week, week 8, so week 7 and 8 homework, these videos will also help you for the week 8 portion. So in the week 7 and 8 homework. And similarly, as I mentioned, week 9, these videos here will help you with the week 9, actually not that, these two will help you with the week 9 homework. So that's just heads up, just to help you out for completing these 2 assignments. Those videos will help. Week 7 and 8 homework correction, that's what I wanted to look at. Next is, notice that there's another activity. It's not really another activity, it's another attempt at the week 7 and 8 homework. I'll grade the week 7 and 8 homework. So you'll submit it by the end of week 8. Week 7 and 8 homework corrections are due by the end of week 11. So as mentioned down here, week 11, there's no new material covered, but you'll notice the corrections are due by the end of week 11. So you'll submit your corrections. I'll send you feedback through the course, and you'll read your feedback, and you'll see which problems you missed, and you'll submit the problems you missed in here, and you can earn up to half credit on the problems you missed from your first attempt, and I'll correct those. And that'll be, you know, not really your final exam, but it's your final thing you'll be submitting in the course. So nothing else will be due in the last week. So that's about it. Let me know if you have any concerns. I mean, you'll make corrections. I would suggest, you know, redoing your submission, having all of your work, the entire week 7 and 8 homework, not just the problems you missed, but, you know, submit everything. And I'll look over the problems you missed, because I know which ones you missed, and I'll look for those. And so submit the entire thing and just correct the ones you missed from the first attempt. And then you'll choose file and so forth. Yeah, let me know if you have any concerns. I'll be more than happy to assist, answer any questions you have about these homework activities. But hopefully that makes sense.